In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage server permissions on Discord. If you run a Discord server, understanding permissions is really important because it helps you control what members can see and do. Whether you want to limit access, organize staff responsibilities, or simply make your server safer and easier to manage, Discord gives you a built-in permission system that's straightforward once you know where to find it. To get started, go to your Discord dashboard. This is the main area where you can access your servers, channels, and account controls. Make sure you're signed into the correct account and that you have the necessary rights to manage the server, because permission settings are only available to server owners or members with administrative access. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top left corner and click on your server using the drop-down area. This opens up the main server menu where Discord keeps the controls related to that specific community. If you manage more than one server, take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct one before making any changes. From that menu, click on Server Settings. This is where you'll find most of the administrative tools for your server, including moderation options, community settings, and role management. It's essentially the control center for how your server operates behind the scenes. After that, go to the left-hand column and click on Roles under the People section. Roles are one of the most important parts of Discord server management because they let you assign different levels of access to different groups of users. For example, you might have separate roles for moderators, members, or special groups within your server. Once you're inside the roles area, click on Default Permissions. This section controls the base permissions that apply more broadly within the server. Reviewing these settings carefully is a good habit because they can affect what new members or general users are able to do. Depending on how your server is set up, this can include actions like sending messages, viewing channels, or interacting with certain features. As you adjust permissions, it's a good idea to think through the impact of each setting before saving changes. Small permission changes can have a big effect on how your community functions, so clarity and caution really matter here. And that's how to manage server permissions on Discord, by navigating to your dashboard, opening your server, going into server settings, selecting roles, and then reviewing default permissions. Once you know this path, it becomes much easier to keep your server organized, secure, and tailored to the way you want your community to run.